Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it is called Doodle Apes Society. Doodle Apes Society is a collection of 2,500 colorful baby apes straight out of the jungle. But before we start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. Doodle Apes Society, the website is doodleapessociety.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of this video. You can go check it out. The video is available on the educational network. You have their Discord, their Twitter, and their OpenSea, which we'll see in a second. Now, this is a hybrid breeding between the apes and Doodle, and they've developed the Doodle Apes Society, and it's a collection of 2,500 colorful baby apes who are straight out of the jungle, and they're inspired by the doodle arts and hand drawn by Obi. These babies got sold out in 3 minutes. Now, obviously, as you can see, these are very interesting way that they've combined this. The baby apes grew up to become young adults, and they have jobs and responsibilities now, and a collection of 5,000 grown apes are ready to take over the blockchain. And the roadmap 1.0 is where they will grow a quality community with the first merchandise drop with Ethereum and DPAs, the Doodle Apes Society giveaways, and the Doodle Apes Society Bank, and legendary Doodle Apes. Where the roadmap 2.0 is where the new website and grown apes are going to come, and the Doodle Apes Society, the DAS token, is going to be launched with the game center that's going to come. And very soon they're working on official currency, the Doodle Apes Society. This token will be available on the DAS family only, and the Doodle Apes will receive a gift from their grandparents' airdrop, and the grown apes will be able to earn their salary while working, meaning staking. And that will be used to unlock rewards, get access to exclusive launches, and much more. It will be the heart of the Doodle Apes Society ecosystem. Now, the game center is very interesting. You'll be able to play some classic mini games remixed with the Doodle Apes Society universe. You will access the game center using your DAS, your DAS, your Doodle Apes Society, but he will be accompanied by an adult. That will be very useful over there, and you can play to earn different rewards. The free Doodle Apes and grown apes, DAT rewards, and merchandise you can play for fun, but be ready for weekly tournaments. So they're combining and giving everyone the ability to use their NFTs, to use their Doodle Ape NFT to actually get rewards to earn while holding that NFT. You got the Discord manager, you got the founder and the artist, the marketing team, and the technical side. This team has been working in the NFT space for a very long time. They understand what strategy needs to be built and how to actually get this particular NFT to become one of the biggest NFT in the NFT space. So if you're thinking of actually investing in a particular NFT, I would highly recommend this. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my own personal opinions. I've been doing a lot of reviews of different NFTs. You can check those NFTs out on my channel, the educational network. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can go there from it, and obviously I'm available on Facebook as well. Now I'm going to show you their Twitter. The Twitter handles over here. When you click on it, you'll be taken to their Twitter. Their Twitter has 11,100 followers. You can increase that by one number right now, and that is how you do it. And in the first phase, in the baby apes, which are sold out in 3 minutes, and obviously the phase 2 is where the grown apes are going to come, and the private sale is going to go on March 18th, and the public sale is going to be on the March 19th. Now, the first impression that you get is the activeness of this particular page. You'll see the engagement they tend to have with their clients, with their actual NFT holders, and that is why this particular NFT has got what it takes. And any successful NFT tends to have a lot of engagement. They know how to engage, they know how to build, they know how to take their particular NFT to the next level, and this particular NFT has got that potential. Now, every single post, as you see, is giving you a background about what this NFT is about and the potential this particular NFT tends to have. And obviously, with that in mind, you got to keep that in mind when you're deciding to invest in NFT. There's loads of NFTs that are out there right now, but any successful NFT needs to to have a couple of things. The first one is a strong team behind them. The second thing is to have a very good marketing strategy. With the Doodle Apes Society, you got the doodles and you got the apes, and they're combining to breed something very unique, very rare, and that is what they're bringing to the market. And that is why this particular NFT is gonna blow up massively. Let me take you back to their website. The second place I want to show you is the OpenSea. You click on the OpenSea link from here and it will take you to the OpenSea. Now their OpenSea is absolutely amazing. You click on the OpenSea over here. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the OpenSea. Now their OpenSea has 2,500 items and there's 1,200 owners already, with the floor price of 0.02 Ethereum, and the volume traded right now is 240 Ethereum. And as I scroll down, you can see these are the phase 1 babies. The phase 2 is coming out. I already told you, mark the dates down, 18th and 19th of March. And the phase 1 babies, as you can see, the artistic approach that has been taken to develop these extremely cute NFTs, these Doodle Apes Society has really outdone itself. And obviously, as time goes forward, these particular babies are gonna be worth hundreds, if not thousands or millions of dollars. And that is, again, my personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. You can do your own due diligence, you can do your research, but obviously, like I mentioned, some NFTs has got that potential. Some NFTs have built their strategies around understanding what the environment and the NFT space is needed for, and they've built their strategy upon that and they've brought it out. Obviously, we're talking about in games, we're talking about a lot of merchandise, we're talking about a lot of combination, a lot of collaboration between so many different organizations. And when you combine these organizations together and you combine the merchandise and the abilities to play in games and earn from that, and having these NFTs and using these NFTs to actually earn, that is what gives you an edge. And having that edge brings you to the next level. And that is why with the second phase, which is coming on the 18th of March and the 19th of March, these were sold in 3 minutes flat. All of them were gone. So if you want to get on this train, if you want to get hold of this NFT, you got to be smart. You got to be on time, and you got to get on this train before it leaves, because there's a lot of NFTs coming out. And if you want to get the right NFT, you got to be ready for it at the right time. So mark these dates down, 18th and 19th of March. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any of the amazing play to earn game reviews I'm doing and the NFT reviews I'm doing. Until my next video, guys, take care. Allah Hafiz.